Pisces, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon and nakakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell, Pisces. Maraming salamat. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of September. Ano yung mga gabay, mensahe, and energies for Pisces for the month of September. Pisces. Mga gabay, energies, and messages for Pisces. Okay. Awakening. Okay. Yeah, for some of you, there is a temporary pause in your situation. Sa mga decision man na inyong gagawin, you will not be making a decision yet. You are letting things to unfold naturally. Okay? Tingnan natin. Or some of you, yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you have, parang kailangan mo maging pasensyoso or pasensyosa sa buwan ng September. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong, this is a period of indecision. Okay? Hanging and waiting. But you are using it for your own advantage. Okay? It's like you are sacrificing now to improve things for later on. Okay? Meron kayong mga sacrifices na gagawin. Yeah. For short time to gain in the long term. That is for some of you, Pisces. Strength. Okay. You have the courage, no? And the will to move forward. Okay. Merong victory or success sa inyong ginagawa or sa inyong trabaho. Yung iba sa inyo, the people are listening to you, looking up to you. Okay. Yeah, merong good news yung iba sa inyo. Okay. For the month of September. Okay. And the Wheel of Fortune. Yeah. Okay. A positive turn of events in your situation. Okay? A situation suddenly moves. Okay? In your favor. Tingnan natin. Isin ko lang to. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will have confidence in yourself, okay? But at the same time, you will remain patient, no? And disciplined and controlled in your situation. Sa trabaho man to, okay? Sa inyong personal life. Yeah. Sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung meron kayong mga difficulties or sacrifices na nararanasan, you remain strong. You are being strong. Okay? Nagiging pasensyosa and pasensyoso kayo. Okay? You are showing also bravery and courage. Knight of Wands. Yeah. For some of you, there is a Knight of Wands. Someone that is showing attention to you and interest. But you are controlling yourself, Pisces. Yeah, adventure, exciting adventure awaits you, but be smart and be wise, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, may mga creative kayo na mga naisip, no? Na mga solusyon, okay, sa isang sitwasyon, ideal things. But you know, kailangan mo maging smart, no? Kailangan mo maging smart sa inyong mga desisyon, sa inyong mga galaw at the same time. But you are someone that is very strong and controlled in your emotions. You are brave. Yeah. Merong kindness, no? You are showing kindness to others as well. Okay? You are kalmado. Knight of Wands. Tingnan natin. This one. Yeah. Five of Pentacles. Yeah. Paano man to? Okay. Kung meron man kayong mga, you feel left out in the cold or you feeling mo you are alone. Pero nalalagpasan mo yung mga challenges na yan sa inyo, Pisces. Even in your finances or sa kaperahan. Yung parang feeling mo wala kang magawa, okay? But then you have enough courage to move on, no? You have enough strength na maka-move on. At the same time, you are showing confidence in yourself. Even though sometimes nahirapan na kayo sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Six of Wands. Yan na natin. Six of Wands. The Five of Swords. And the Three of Cups. Okay. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, merong inner conflict, no? But choose your battles wisely. Okay? Huwag patulan kung merong mga problema or gulo or conflict in your family members or with your colleagues sa trabaho or with your friends. So, you just need to move on, no? Move on ka lang sa everyday life ninyo. Okay? So, you also have to show competence, no? In yourself, most especially sa work. Yeah. So, ignore nonsense, Pisces. Ignore competition. Ignore people na parang nangingaalam sa inyong sitwasyon, okay? Or hindi maganda ang motibo or yung intention sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. So, for some of you, you are moving past that. So, parang hinahayaan mo lang. Okay? Yeah. Tingnan natin ano yung kung meron kayong self-doubt sa sarili ninyo, you will be able to resolve it also, no? Aside sa conflict. Minsan kasi you have also conflict within yourself, okay? Inner conflict. But you will be able to overcome it. Mariresolbahan mo yan. Magkakaroon yan ng solusyon. So, just show confidence, no? And courage sa sarili mo. Okay? Eight of Swords. Okay. There will be triumph, no? And victory in your situation, most especially sa work. Kung merong mga competition, okay? You are above them, okay? Mapapagtagumpayan mo yung mga challenges na to, yung mga conflicts na yan with other people or even with yourself, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng confidence. The Empress. Yeah, so believe sa sarili mong kakayahan, Pisces. You feel that you are feeling trapped. But you know, you just have, parang kailangan mo lang talaga magtiwala sa sarili mo at sa mga desisyon mo na gagawin. Okay? And the King of Wands. Yeah. Yeah, if for some of you, you are not sure of what to do with this person, the King of Wands. They are looking for your attention. Okay? But again, choose your battles wisely. You know what to do. Pisces, believe in yourself. Okay? You need to control yourself as well. Most especially if you're dealing with this Knight of Wands and the King of Wands. Okay? fire energy. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be taking a leadership role, no? But you need to be confident sa sarili mong kakayahan, sa skills mo, sa talent mo. Okay? Because sometimes sa isip mo lang yan na parang hindi mo kaya, but actually you can do it. Just take a step, no? One step at a time. Yeah, get out from that trap, okay? Because for some of you, you are blocked mentally, okay? Yeah, you need to move forward, no? Pisces. Kailangan mong gumalaw, kailangan mong mag-take ng action. Hindi pwedeng ganyan lang na parang nakulong ka, you feel trapped because of your own choice, because din sa inyong pag-iisip. But you have a lot of skills and the talents to move forward, to take that role, a leadership role. That is for some of you. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest if hindi para sa inyo. Yeah. Creativity. Okay? You have, parang ang daming mo mga ideas. You are full of ideas, no? Okay, and creativity. Pero parang wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo that you can do it. Okay? So you need to move forward and take action. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip if you want to pursue a creative venture, okay, or a business man to. Okay, so you need to have a vision and action at the same time. Wheel of Fortune. What is Wheel of Fortune for Pisces? The Four of Cups. Okay. Pagkakaroon ng movement sa inyong sitwasyon, kailan mo rin tingnan kung ano yung mga opportunities na para sa inyo or ang ino-offer sa inyo. Take a look at it. Check it out, okay? Because sometimes they are blessing in disguise, no? Yung mga opportunity na hindi natin binibigyan ng pansin, yun pa pala ang magbibigay sa atin ng advancement, no? Sa buhay or ng pagkakataon na makamove forward. Okay? Oh, the Chariot. So, movement. Yeah, for some of you, may mga travel plans. Okay? May mga business trips na gagawin. Business travel or business trips, no? So, merong mga important kang achievement na matatanggap or na mangyayari sa inyo, Pisces. So, you just have to open your eyes to possibilities and opportunities and take action. So, believe in yourself. Okay? You are capable of it. You are very talented, no? You are creative. You are strong. Okay? You are a leader. So, kailangan lang na ikaw mismo magtiwala sa sarili mong kakayahan. So, get out from this state na parang hindi ka makagawa, wala kang tiwala sa sarili. So, minsan, it's all in your mind. Okay. Yeah. So, there will be a positive change, no? A situation will suddenly move forward for your, to your favor. Okay? Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional na movement. Yeah, sometimes you just have to make decision also, no? Decision and then action. Star, guaranteed success, o diba? So, merong guaranteed na success for you. Coins, money will be coming to you. See? So, that is for the month of September. Pisces. Pineapple, reconciliation. Yeah, kung meron mang mga hindi pagbate or meron kayong someone na hindi kayo nagkaintindihan, no? So, September will be a month na is asking you to reconcile with someone. Okay? Crown, honor and respect will come to you. Okay? Nice. Let's see. Spirit messages for Pisces. Pisces. You are feeling somewhat confused by the events that are unfolding around you and the various seemingly contradictory information that is coming your way. Trust your instincts and do what they are telling you to do, and you will learn a lot about yourself and the direction you want your life to take. Okay. One more. Angel message for Pisces. Angel message for Pisces. No more complaining. Complaints are affirmations of victimhood, which is never true spiritually. Take back your God-given power by affirming that you have an abundance of choices and freedom. With your increased confidence and assertiveness, watch these positive affirmations blossom into reality. Okay? So, Pisces, these are the messages for you. All the best. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!